Hello everyone, dear viewers, I'm Ihan. Today I have with me a photocell door from the Cuppon brand. We have great accessories specially developed for this door. We will examine them. Now we have 4 different accessories that we will talk about in this video. One of them is the electronic lock. Another one is our battery module. We have a hand sensor and we have a numerator where we can both enter a password and open our door by reading our RFID cards. Let's start with the electronic lock. Here you can see our electronic lock. On this touch screen, in the second menu, we can pull the tongue or push the tongue forward again. In this way, our lock is now unlocked and the door cannot be opened. We also have a manual lever here. This lever is usually placed inside a box that is locked on the outside. What does it do? It's like this. Disable the lock. To turn it back on, let's say you lose power. This electronic lock has a 9-volt battery on it. When the power goes out, if you don't have a battery module, it pulls the tongue back so that this button works once. What does this do? Let's say you are out and the power goes out at night. You come back in the morning and when you want to enter, you cannot open the door. If you have this device in the lock compartment outside, you can immediately unlock it once. And this button does not work again until the electricity is restored. But since there is electricity now, it is already pushing the tongue. When the electricity comes back on, the 9-volt battery on this device charges and is ready to be used again until the next time. Let's say we have a power cut. As you can see, our tongue here is preventing this door from opening. Of course, we left a small gap here to show the movement of the door, but when we bring this electronic lock to this side, we can ensure that the door does not open at all. This is just to show the movement right now. Since the motors are already applying an extra power, the door is actually making an effort to close itself before it comes to the tongue. Therefore, we can actually keep this door closed with the power of the motor without damaging the tongue too much. Now let's examine the battery module. Now, with our battery module installed, we enter the screen with the battery module in the settings. We have 3 different menus here. One of these menus is Continue. In Continue mode, when the power is cut, the radar continues to work and entry and exit can still be provided. However, if we press the open door option here, the door opens automatically when the power is cut and does not close again until the power is restored. Now let's try a power cut scenario. For example, we cut the power right now, the doors open, the battery only keeps the doors open, and we have a warning on the remote control that the power has been cut. Another feature is the close door feature. Here I chose close the door. Now we'll look at the scenario where the power goes out. Let's open the door like this and cut the power. Now the power is off. As you can see, the door is now in closing mode. Again, when we press continue from here, the radar in front or behind becomes operational again, and the door can now open and close a few more times depending on the power of the battery according to the weight of your door. Our next sensor is the hand sensor. It has a very simple logic. When we bring our hand closer, our door opens and closes itself in the specified time. According to the settings we have set up normally, we can open the door with the password that comes by default. For example, 2468 is the code for this door. This is how we can open it. If you want to use an RFID card, this device can also provide you with support for its use. The connection of these 2 devices comes from here to the microprocessor control unit with the cables, as you can see, and you can use it in this way. As you can see, you can mount it anywhere you want with such long cables. You can use the door as open-close in such a fast way. And we have come to the end of this video. We have reviewed our accessories. You can choose these accessories according to your needs and expand the usage features of your photocell door. See you in another video. Take care of yourselves very well. Goodbye.